Hey everybody, this is Jake Malone down here at Jay Malone Motors. I got a beautiful 2026 Ford F-350 that came with the Ford keyless entry keypad. Today I'm going to show you guys how to retrieve your factory door code so that you are able to program your own custom door code. So all you need in order to do that are both sets of keys, and then you just remove the plastic piece from the little cup holder tray. You take your first key, place it into the little key slot on the bottom there, and then you just turn the truck into accessory mode. You want to cycle through for about 5 to 8 seconds or so, and then all you do is just turn the vehicle off, remove the first key, and do the same exact thing with the second key. Once that's in there, put it back into accessory mode, go back up to the digital cluster here, and after a few seconds you will see your factory door code does pop up. That's the code that will stick with this vehicle for the entirety of its life, and that's the one you will need to program your own custom key code into the keyless entry pad. So thank you everybody for watching. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.